Ako po si Felix Marauda, DTF operator ng OnJet dito sa Robinson, Novaliches. Araw-araw naman ito nagagamit na may 57 meters kaming nairan dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads, capping, good and working pa naman po. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system ay tama lang. This ink tank na rin is Friday. Ground wire, ABR good and working. Ito naman po ang used ink namin. Unused ink, film, powder. Ito naman po yung weekly consumables. Nakaka-consume tayo ng isang film this week. Ito naman po ang inventory natin this week. Ito yung nagamit sa yellow, white ink, resin powder, 30 cm film, cleaning solution. Ito naman po ang weekly maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.